Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the Day 456 Short War Summary. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and support us on Patreon, link in the description below. Today we saw that a Ukrainian kamikaze drone was able to attack a Russian recon ship and was able to heavily damage it near the stern rudder section. We can see it going into the back of the ship right here, and the camera cuts off. Presumably, the boat exploded. In this clip, we can see a continuation of the firefights that have been occurring in Marinka as Ukrainian forces try and hold back a small Russian push.
Yes, пішов.
Ну уходь, 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 уходь. Ну уходь, ебаный в рот.
Бля, та заїбав ти бач. тобі, бля!
We can also see Ukrainian forces firing a SMAW in Bakhmut. Meanwhile, the Ukrainians are now using the British AS-90 SPG on the front lines, one of the most advanced SPGs in the Western world. Meanwhile, a Russian priest tells Russian soldiers to kill mercilessly and, of course, commit war crimes. This is nothing new, but still interesting to note.
Потому что он придет сюда, он здесь вселит то же самое в наших детей, и мы тоже станем на порог саморазрушения.
Not long after that, we saw that the Russians lost 2 BMP2s on the side of a road in an unknown location. I thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, make sure to check out our live streams as well. They run nightly every single day of the week.